Another important part of how we do our work is focusing on stories. So we don't necessarily have a bunch of bullet points that point to the 5 ways of effective team building or the 3 ways to resolve a conflict, but we do have lots of metaphorical stories as well as allegories that we typically use to help drive home the point of how we need to interact with each other. And so it's much more important for us to make sure that we're able to tell and hear each other's story than it is about making sure that we've delivered those bullet points. And so as a part of telling that story and understanding that story, we do our best to make our titles of our presentations interesting, so that they either pose an interesting question or a point of view that's not typically discussed. And so you'll find that storytelling and that methodology of engaging people in the telling and hearing of stories and the titles of our workshops. And so you'll see those as a part of this presentation as well. So I encourage you to look at those, to engage with that material, and ask us more questions. You'll know how to get in contact with me later, but it's important that we understand that it's important for people to hear and to tell their stories.